Hello, in front of me I've got WUCHANG. In this video I'll show you how to set high-end PC graphics setup. If you've got high-end PC and there are no compromises for your gaming, let's go to settings and find graphics settings. Right here, make sure to select the highest resolution available, enable HDR, enable VSync, low latency mode, change overall quality to extreme. Once you've done it, go to advanced settings, disable FSR, set anti-aliasing quality to high, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.